Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to enable the on-screen keyboard on Windows 11. So maybe if you are using Windows 11 desktop or you're using a touch screen and you happen to have issue with your keyboard, or you just want to start using touch screen directly, you can enable the on-screen keyboard if you want. So to enable on-screen keyboard on Windows 11, all you need to do is to start by coming to the start menu over here. You come to settings, and then you can come all the way down to accessibility, and then you can come down to keyboard. So you come down to keyboard, you can see a bunch of settings, but you can come to on-screen keyboard over here. You just come over here and turn it on. Okay, you can see it. You can turn it on and off. You can turn it on, so while you are working or you want to access your start menu, you can just click it from here, and you can see the start menu is up, and you can start typing something. Maybe you can type Camtasia, and you can see the Camtasia recorder coming up. You can type virtually anything, and you can do the same even on Microsoft Word. So you can clean, let's say we go to Microsoft Word, and you can see the app. We just start. All right, you can double click to start a new page, and you can start typing anything you want. Okay, so once you're done at this point, you can hit enter to change the line. You can use your spacing, and you can type anything, virtually anything, and you have other full controls over here that you can access just like the normal keyboard. Okay, you have the home tab, and you have the page up and page down, and many more. Okay, so feel free to explore it, feel free to learn how to use it, because it's quite fantastic sometimes to enable it and start using it. And if you want to disable it, you can do the same from the same place. You can come to the same accessibility and come to on-screen keyboard. You can disable it from here directly, or additionally you can use the Windows key plus Control plus O to turn it on. So let's try to do that. Logo key plus Control plus O, and it's going to be turned on just like that any given time during your operations within your computer. And if you want to take it down or you want to disable it, you can still do the same. You can do the same. Windows plus Control plus O will disable it for you. So this is in a bit on how to just enable the on-screen keyboard and disable it as well. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.